students, how are you? I am fine and I hope that all my students are happy and they are enjoying the videos. Okay students, so let's come back to our social science. In previous video, that was part 1 and this video is part 2. In this video, we will be starting with how to prepare ourselves for the flood. Okay students, अगर कहीं पर फ्लड आ गया, then how to prepare ourselves, हम अपनी जान कैसे बचा सकते हैं अपनी और अपनी फैमिली की. Okay students, so open the textbook, page number 79. So let me open my textbook students. Let's start it. So students, let's start it. How to prepare ourselves for the flood, हम अपने आप को कैसे बचा सकते हैं फ्लड से. We can prepare ourselves for the flood in the following ways. Leave the area as soon as possible. When you come to know कि बाढ़ आ रही है, पानी आ रहा है, leave that area as soon as possible. Listen to the radio or watch the television for the warnings. With the help of the weather forecasting, we come to know that this day there will be lot of rain. We have to be safe at home. So in this way, the media also helps us to give the warnings. The media also guide us about the weather forecasting. So if we have to keep attention at the warnings. Keep first aid kit, torch, matches, matchsticks and stock of food and fresh water ready. If you come to know that this area is going to be flooded or in this area there will be heavy rain, we should keep these things at stock. Food, fresh water, first aid, light. If light is not there, we can use the torch. Stay away from electrical poles and cables because of the risk of electrocution. Stay away from the electrical poles. It may happen कि बारिश के कारण उसकी जो वो वायरिंग होती है वो लूज हो जाए. It may happen that if you touch you receive a shock. So for that, stay away from electrical poles. Switch off and unplug all the electrical applications if the flood water enters our home. We should switch off and unplug. आपने सुना होगा कि बहुत बार पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं कि बारिश के कारण वोल्टेज अप डाउन हो रहा है, टीवी का जो स्विच है वो बंद कर दीजिए या फ्रिज को जो स्विच है वो बंद करके अनप्लग कर दीजिए. Because it may happen that water can damage your electrical appliances. Okay students? Avoid driving through the flooded area as we get stuck in the water. You have also heard कि recently बारिश बहुत थी, तो आपके पेरेंट्स आपको रोकते थे कि डोंट गो आउटसाइड, आप कहीं पर बारिश में स्टक हो जाओगे, कहीं पर होल होगा तो वी कांट कम टू नो ना. दैट्स द रीजन. Avoid swimming in or drinking flood water. It may contain sewage or the other pollutants. We should avoid swimming in that water. We should not drink that water because that water may be dirty or that water may be polluted. In India, floods are very common during monsoon. In monsoon, we see many floods. They mostly occurred in the plains of the North America. At which area the more floods are occurred? Northern India. They cause great damage to life, property and crops. It damages life, property and crops. Diseases such as corona, malaria and dengue spread in the areas hit by the flood. कौन सी डिजीजेस हो सकती है एरिया के अंदर? कोरोना, सॉरी इट्स नॉट कोरोना, इट्स कॉलेरा, मलेरिया एंड डेंगू. However, we can control floods by planting more and more trees. There is one step to control the flood by planting more and more trees. The roots of the trees absorb the water. Roots क्या करेंगे? वो पानी absorb कर लेंगे and prevent flood water from spreading it fast. They can help to stop the flood. To slow down the speed of the water, especially dams can also be created. To slow down the speed, it is more important to create dams or to plant more and more trees. बहुत समय से बारिश ही नहीं होने के कारण जमीन पूरी सूखी पड़ गई थी. You can see this image. Okay, students. Drought affects plants, animals, and lives of the people. Drought के कारण क्या होगा? Plants, animals और लोगों को पानी मिलने में बहुत मुश्किल होगी, and it may affect the life. Farmers face problems with their livelihood as they depend on the crops they produce. Farmers की लाइफ या तो उसकी अर्निंग होती है, that is based on the irrigation facilities. But for irrigation we need water. पानी नहीं होगा तो how the farmer will be able to grow? Okay, students. So this affects a lot. Turn the page, students, at page number 80. When a drought takes place, natural vegetation of the area dies and crop fails. पानी के सूखे होने के कारण क्या होता है कि वहाँ का जो वेजिटेशन मीन्स जो ग्रीनरी जो क्रॉपिंग होती है वो सब सूख जाते हैं. This leads to the shortage of food leading to famine. Famine मतलब भूख के कारण लोगों को मरना शुरू हो जाना. Shortage of food it leads to famine. The water supply becomes less and the water level goes down in the lakes and even in the valleys. वाटर सप्लाई कम हो जाने के कारण क्या होता है कि जो वाटर लेवल होता है वो बहुत कम हो जाता है. रिवर श्रिंक्स. रिवर का पानी होता है वो भी कम होने लग जाता है, वो भी बहुत कम हो जाता है, रिवर में भी सूखा आ जाता है. The streams dry up, the soil cracks and is blown away by the wind, creating dust storm. It may happen that students कि आपने देखा होगा कि मिट्टी बहुत सूखी हो जाती है तो उसके ऊपर क्रैक्स आ जाते हैं. Why this happen? Because of drought और I can say सूखा पड़ जाना. और वो जो सूखी मिट्टी थी वो ब्लो होकर मिट्टी बोलते हैं ना डस्ट स्टॉर्म क्रिएट हो जाता है, बहुत तेज हवा बहने लगती है. एंड ऑल दिस हैपेंस ड्यू टू ड्रॉट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो शुड वी मूव टू हाउ वी कैन प्रिवेंट ड्रॉट? जस्ट थिंक ऑफ इट. अगर सूखा पड़ जाता है तो हमें क्या क्या स्टेप्स लेने चाहिए जिससे हम उसको कंट्रोल कर सकें? थिंक ऑफ इट. वी शुड ग्रो ट्रीज, we should save water, we should reuse that waste water, we should prevent water, we should stop wasting of water. Okay, let's do one thing. This topic we will be covering with the next video. Okay students, but hold on, I have something for you. Now we will discuss upon the evaluation questions. Here they are. What are natural disasters? You know it very well. Name two causes of flood. We have discussed. What are the causes? Yes, you know it. What are droughts? Sukha pad jana. The two starting line of the droughts. It is a define. Fill in the blanks. You know it very well. You can pause the video and you can copy all this at the back side of your notebook. That's all for today, students. Here we complete the topic drought, but we will see the measures in the next video. Bye students, take care.